Nous avançons. L'amour de la reconquête de nos valeurs confie en nous. Retour vers le passé. Nous voulons que nos liens soient. Car celui qui marche sans avoir son histoire dans la tête est comme un faible oiseau surpris par une forte tempête. Il n'avance pas et il regrette un grand pas jusqu'à ce que définitivement s'arrête ses pas. Autant que sans ses racines, un arbre n'est rien. Avec la méconnaissance de nous-mêmes, nous ne sommes rien. Congo, donne-nous la force de tes eaux puissantes, la sagesse de tes femmes vivantes, la grandeur de tes majestueuses forêts, le caractère admiratif de tes épopées. Congo, ressource-toi près des forces. Prends la main que tu tends le bas des pieds quand tu touches le fond. Tu es un massa, tu es un téké, tu es un zoulou, tu es un peul, tu es un malinké, tu es un Koubantou, tu es un Bantou.
Enyoka moyo nitele mwana dumba. Mwana dumba kokele ko waitate. Unakongo. Waitate. Unakongo. Waitate. Unakongo. Waitate. Unakongo. Unakongo mone kene komataku. Komataku sisande pakuduku. Pakuduku pelekete pakuduku. Pakuduku pelekete pakuduku. Pakuduku pelekete pakuduku. Quiere mutila Congo. Quiere mutila Congo. Mutila Congo porque muirame. No muirame mutila que baguzame. En baguzame ya ira que cola zambe. En cola zambe se te manda yaka. Te manda yaka mole que te toca moyo. Toca moyo ni te mwana tumba. Te mwana tumba porque le pongo ahí
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble. We are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyonso koma kana ngonga nango.
Hello. Kembote. Tatale Kembote. Can you hear me, Tatale?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, yeah. Kembote, Tata David.
Kembote.
Gizambote. Thank you very much for your time.
Turn up my volume a little.
Tata David. Sorry?
Yeah. I had to turn up my volume a little.
So I didn't get it. So can you say that again, please? Your volume.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. Okay. I'm just trying to write something. Okay, let us greet the audience to Kaisan Kangu. Tata Allen Kangu. Nkangu, Tata translation? No. Tata David, Nkangu. Nkangu people, yes. People. Hello. If you are watching, we thank you. Please do not move. This is Kikongo class. We're here every Sunday at 5 p.m. London time. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Brazzaville, and Congo Kinshasa. Thank you very much. Any questions, Tata? We're going back. Tata wasn't around last time, but
no question.
No question. Okay. Let us try to talk a bit. Yeah. Okay. Tata David Kembote. We're talking that. We're talking Tata David. Can you hear me, Tata David? No. Tata, can you?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, I think there's an issue, Tata David. Tata David. Can you hear me, Tata David? No. Hold on, let me just. Okay. Oh, Tata David, are you there?
Can you hear us?
You can't. I think. I'm just trying to write a message on.
Have we lost our audio?
Okay. Yeah, okay, we can hear you now. Can you hear me? David? Okay, I think we need to write a message on. Tata David. Tata David. Please exit. Sorry. This is live. Yes. Okay, Tatale. Ambote Tatale.
Quem bote tatam panzo?
Non ma vim pitat.
Não me vim pitata.
Ah, okay. Tata David is coming back. Okay. Kwetu kidi. You coming from somewhere? Are you coming from home?
Kunzo.
Yeah, Kunzo. Yeah, I want you to give me the present indicative, please. Yeah, Kunzo. Your verb is tuka. Yes.
Kunzo.
Nizo.
Ntukidi.
Yeah, bro. Kunzo tukidi. Yeah. Kwe utakwenda. Please give me indicative. Yeah, you don't use the uta. Uta is too easy.
Okay.
You don't just bring Tata. Tata David, you know? Can you hear me? Tata David.
Hey, are we good now?
We can hear you. Let me just. Maybe it's me. Hello, David. Can you hear me? Tata David. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay, we are live. Okay. Sorry.
Alain and Tata Mpanzu, can you hear me?
I can, yes. Can you hear me, Tata David? No, he can't. Yeah.
Because all is silence over here.
Tata Ali, can you hear him, Tata David? Yes?
Yeah, I can hear him.
Try to say something. Try to beat Tata David.
Can you hear us?
No. Okay, we are sorry. You can hear me, Tata David.
Yes, now I can.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much. Okay, this technology, yes. Okay, I was talking to Tata Ale. I mean, we have all we need on our notebooks, all this stuff. We need to start talking. Yeah, Tata Ale. So I'm meeting Tata Ale. Remember, we've been using ta, suffix for present continuous. Kunzo itakwenda. I'm going home, yes? Kunzo itakwenda. But now we've been learning present perfect indicative.
Mhm.
So keyword. The key thing is your first singular, the nasal. This is the key thing on the indicative. Okay. I may be using. I may ask using present continuous, but if you can give me your answer in should be on present indicative. Yes, am I clear, Tata? Yeah, we need to hit at least the first nasal, not the first, second, the third, let alone the third. So the second, you can guess, but the third is very hard. Yes, okay. Where was my question? I can't even remember. Okay, kwetu kidi. The verb is tuka. So I want him to give me the nasal. Kwetu kidi, Tatale.
Kunzon tukidi.
Well done. Kwe uta kwenda. Don't give me uta. Yes, don't give it back. But you continue. Kwe uta kwenda. The verb is kwenda. But in present perfect indicative, kwenda. Always remember, the key word is your nasal. Okay, verb is kwenda. Kwe uta kwenda.
Kuzandu Ngele.
You can't have both. Hang on, sorry.
Hmm.
No, you're right. Sorry, I apologize. Yes. Oh,
No,
it's correct. Ngele Guzandu Ngele. Yes.
Ngele Kuzandu. Okay, Ngele Kuzandu.
Yeah, Ngele Guzandu.
Ngele
It's
Kuzandu.
fine, Guzandu, but always
Okay.
we stick with one standard. Yes.
All right. So for this one is what? It's the indicative first, and then the
Yeah, you got your indicative. Yeah. Kwenda, the verb kwenda ngele. Yes. Your present
Okay.
indicative. Your nasal.
Okay.
Let me try to ask Tata David. Kiambote Tata David.
Jambote.
Luna mavimpi tata.
Tuna vimpi.
Jambote.
Yenu.
Yete betuna mavimpi. Jambote. Kwe uta kwenda. Remember the verbs kwenda, but I want present indicative. Think of nasal. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Your nasal is ngele. Your nasal ngele. Yes. Ngele.
In the kwenda.
You don't use the ngele is your verb kwenda. You don't need to touch on kwenda again. Yeah?
Oh, okay.
Ngele ku, yeah. Preposition, how to call it? Locative, yes. Ngele ku, yeah. Where are you going? Kweuta kwenda. Ngele ku. Kuzan. Let's say zan. Okay.
Go. Ita. No.
Ita is correct, but we're not using ita. We stop using. Ita is too easy. Because we're learning indicative, present perfect indicative. The key word is your nasal, first person singular, always nasal. So verb kwenda, the nasal first person is ngele. Yes. Can you say it again, please? Ngele kuzandu.
Ngele kuzandu.
Yes. The verb tuka. Kwe tukidi. That's David. Tukidi. Yeah? Can you try it, tell David? Tukidi.
Okay.
Tukidi, yes.
Tukidi.
Yes. Then you say tukidi kuzandu, whatever you want to, whatever you want to say. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I think we should go to. Thank you very much, David. Yeah, I know it's hard, no? It is hard, but we're doing well. Yes, we are brave people. Let me try. Let me share my file. Don't worry, that we'll be going back and back over and over again because this is very important.
Yeah. Which I really need to do. I'm sorry, I've been out of the flow for a while.
No. What should I say? Yeah, we just need to go back and back because you have the foundation. Yes, you know your stuff. We just need to go back over all the time. Before I carry on, let me just try to write something. Here. Where are we? Okay. This is question 2 that I'm coming. Indicative present, perfect indicative. In future. This is the blueprint, yes. Sorry. Give 1 minute. I need to delete this one. If you're watching, we thank you. This is Gikongo. This is a mother tongue, yes. Okay. Kuna, you could say KU, kuna, same thing. Contraction. So our verb, what is our verb is what is a verb from the sentence? Ya kwenda kuna.
So, kwenda.
Yes, well done. So we have present perfect indicative and the future. So past for us, I keep saying for us, past just past simple. We don't go other past. Past is just past simple. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So past simple, the keyword is your pitch, high pitch. Yes. So past. What are the pronouns for the past? Personal pronoun. Alain.
In this case, ya,
Yes. Second person.
wa,
The
ka,
first.
toi,
Toi.
loi, ba.
Well done. Yes. Okay. Ya kwenda kuna, meaning I went. Check it for any past, any past simple, past perfect, whatever you want to call it. It is past. Ya kwenda kuna, same thing. I've been there. I went there. This is a past. Tata, difficult to pronounce because the key thing here, the key word, it is your tone, yes?
Mm-hmm.
You give the meaning by the way you pronounce the word. Ya kwenda kuna. Tata, please. Ya kwenda kuna.
Okay, so that's first person. Ya kwenda kuna.
Yeah, good. Well done. Make sure you ya kwenda kuna. Yes, high, a bit high. Ya kwenda kuna.
Ya kwenda kuna.
Well done, well done. So your verb is kwenda. So present perfect indicative. Remember, present perfect indicative. The keyword is your nasal, the first person your nasal. Same verb ya kwenda kuna, then your present indicative.
Okay, so kwenda.
Ngele, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngele, yes.
Yeah.
Ngele kuna, yes. Ngele kuna, yes. Yes. You just touching on your verb, the infinitive. I mean, could say the verb kwenda is ngele, yes. Ngele kuna. You can, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't worry, it's not easy. So the future, you should know the future because your future, the keyword is your auxiliary. Yes. Using the same verb. Now you don't you keep the verb as it is. Yeah. Just use your auxiliary.
So we use kuna to indicate the future.
Kuna is not the future. Kuna is your. Well, depends the way you use it. Kuna means there. In this case, kuna is there. Yes.
Okay. Right.
Preposition sometimes, yes. So you know your auxiliary is Tata well, Tata David, you know that. I know you know that. Your auxiliary for the future. S, yeah, the word beginning with S.
Isinga?
Yes, Tata David, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Carry on, Tata David. Isinga, yeah, your verb, then the verb kwenda.
Yeah.
Isinga, yeah. Isinga.
So
Isinga.
Isinga.
Kwenda kuna. Isinga
kwenda kuna.
Yes, you just touch on the only change is your auxiliary. Yes. Are we okay? That's David.
Yeah, but I don't remember how the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth person proceed in this form.
You mean future?
Yes, in the future.
Isinga kwenda kuna, usinga kwenda kuna, you for union, usinga kwenda kuna. Remember the old Kikongo depends a lot on variants.
So then it's Tusinga and Lusinga and Basinga.
Yes. So first Isinga, second okay, let's put aside that. I was confused. Second is Usinga, youth for union. Third Kasinga, but remember, according to Papa Makonde, this is Kikongo variant spoken in Banza Congo. Second and third, you're still using OO, yes? Usinga kwenda you, Usinga kwenda him, her. But let us put this aside. I mean, for the time being, at least, I in English, Isinga, Usinga, you for union, Usinga kwenda, Kasinga kwenda. Tusinga kwenda, Lusinga kwenda, Basinga kwenda. Yes. Tutonde. Let me I want to make sure that David is okay with this one. Let me try to change the verb. Yamona, you could say Yamona. I mean, Kikongo, it is depends on variance. That's why when I'm teaching, I'm always careful. You should be cautious because unless you know the variance, you should not correct people because each of us we speak differently. Yes, totally. Kiwakwe,
Kiwao.
Iwao, Kiwakwe. Iwao, yes. Okay, your verb is Mona. Mona, that's in English, Mona.
To see?
Yes, well done, Mona. So, let me just try to test that. It will be harder now. Yamonawo. Some people could say Yamonayo. Let's say, go. I saw that, so this thing, I mean. Yamonao, it is past simple. Yamonao. Then we move to present perfect indicative. Mbuenewo. It is hard. It is nasal. Mbuenewo.
Gwenewo.
Yes. Now the future, David, please.
Okay.
The keyword is your auxiliary, remember?
Let's see. Umonawo.
Present first person. You use your singer. Use singer. Your pronoun and singer. Isinga.
Isinga Monawo.
Well done. Yes. I know you know your stuff. Isinga Monawo. I keep insisting on this because this is it. The blue. What do you call it? This is it. Totally, yes. What you have on your screen, this is it. In terms of verbs, conjugation, how to call it. Conjugate. This is basic. This is fundamental. Any questions, David?
Oh, I've got lots of questions, but mostly I just need to review some more of the things that we've done.
Yes. Future. Always remember, future is singer. Your keyword, your singer. Present indicative is your nasal. First person is nasal. Always. Yamunao. Tutondele is not easy. Okay, let us. We are going to move to demonstrative adjectives. Is it visible? The screen, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Let us move. This one. I mean, Tata Makonde, very smart. He was a very smart guy. I mean, Okay, this is it. This is Kikongo totally. Yes. Of course, we always say thank you to the Papa Makonde kwa Professor Yesu Katsa, African Study, yes, University of Wisconsin, Madison, yes. So, in Kikongo, when you say Kinkutu Kiaki, well, I'm going back, sorry. I'm just going back. This is, yes, can you see? Yes, leave it.
Uh-huh.
Demonstrative adjectives. But, see, in English you say this everywhere, but not in Congo. Each word has its own, we call it its own adjective. Yeah. Kinkutu Kiaki. There's no change in English. This is this. Yeah, this, yeah. This code, this. But not in Congo. Congo, Yunga Kiaki, Impuya yi. But she say this hat in English. And Sapatu Zazi, or my dear mama. That David, yes. I did send you the file.
Yes.
Yeah, are you okay with this?
Yeah, I had a question. So okay, so Kiaki is this, or like what is like this and or these or those?
Oh,
Is
no. This is Kikongo.
There's no pattern. Okay, there's no pattern for that.
I see what you mean. That way. Thinking Kikongo that time. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
No. You're right. Yeah, you're right. But this is Kikongo. We're getting there. Not now. In the future. Totally, yes.
Okay, all right.
Now, because you wouldn't say. Okay. Let's keep it aside for the time being. So, Kiambote, Nengotariwa.
Kiambote,
Vimpi Nengba.
ingeta, tuna mavimpi. Yeyenu,
You never to know VP. Let me just try to test you the Nengotariwa because this is important. Okay. The past, yeah. Your verb. What is your verb? That Nengotariwa. Can you see my screen? When you
Yes,
bottom,
I can see the screen.
Yeah.
I didn't hear the question.
Now the question is what is your verb? Because we have Yamonao. What is the verb there?
Oh, it's Mona.
Mona, yes. Mona means
to see.
yes. Well done. So can you give me the past then? Is there anyway? Yamonao, but can you say it? Please read it.
Is it Mbwene?
We're talking past. My question is past. Yeah? Just repeat. Just read again the same sentence, please. Yamonao, please. Yamonao, yes.
Monao.
Be careful. Yamonao. This is very important.
Oh, Yamonao.
Yamonao, yes. If you say Yamonao, you're saying, let me see it. Tell David, yes. Same sentence, but we keep saying Kikongo is tonal language. You give the meaning, but the way you pronounce your words, yes. Yamonao, Yamonao, it means I want to see it. Let me see it. So Yamonao, I saw it. I've seen it. Let me tell you again, please.
Yamonao.
Yes. Okay. Now we're going to indicative. Yes. Same sentence. Now you give me Mona in indicative. Let me tell you, please.
Do you mean the present or the past? Then?
Now this Yamonao is the past. Now present. Give us present. Same verb, yes. Same sentence.
Is it Yambwene? Oh.
Tata, what is wrong here? Tata, want your help?
Oh, so ya is the past pronoun.
Yes. 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 Negative, yes.
I didn't hear.
Yeah, present indicative, your first person. What is your tricky question? What is your first person? Negative on present indicative.
Or present indicative. Isn't the present continuous or just simple present?
No. Present perfect indicative. Remember the nasal, yes?
Isn't it a nasal sound?
Yeah, go ahead, please. Same sentence.
So is it just Mbwene?
Yes, bueno, yes.
Bwene.
You don't use ya because ya is your pronoun, but in this case, nasal, the nasal is your first person. That's not obvious.
It's clear.
Ya monao, ya is your first pronoun for the past, but present perfect indicative, mbwene. The nasal is my first person.
Okay.
I'm going to do, and the future, please.
The future is Isinga.
Isinga, carry on, please.
Isinga Mona. Oh.
Yes, well done. Okay, we're going back to this one. So, okay, kutu kiaki, yunga kiaki, empuya yi, and sapatu zazi. So, let me just share my. Now, before I do that, let us just move quickly. You don't need to memorize this, yes, because it's very hard. But we want to learn about the pattern soon. This one. Okay. Object concords. Demonstrative. Presentative, yes. AD, yes. For, let's say, diaki means?
You said diadi or diaki?
Diaki. It is an object. Diaki. Food.
Food. Okay, food. Yeah.
Diaki means tata.
You said food, right?
I mean a kind of food. Okay, food. I don't have to give you the answer. Diaki. From hen, yeah? Diaki.
Oh, a hen.
Oh, you said a hand?
Yeah. Then I tell you again, diaki.
Diaki.
Yes. You know the word, plural is maki.
Dia is to eat, right?
Diaki is, the plural is maki, yes? You know the word.
Oh, okay. Oh, egg. Oh, okay. Egg.
Oh,
Yeah.
egg.
Okay. So, class 5, can you see my screen? Yeah, class 5, Tata David.
Yeah.
Class 5. Let me just give you one example. We take example the word diaki, yes, diaki, class 5. Class 5. Diaki diadi. I'm going to tell you. Sorry, Tata. Yes, well done. Tata David, yes. Diaki diadi.
So if you said that all by itself, it would mean this food?
No, diaki is egg. Diaki is egg.
Egg. Okay.
Singular, yes. We're trying to match. I mean, first syllable goes together with its adjective, yes? Just diaki, because diaki is di, we have diadi. Tell them, yes? Demonstrative, yes? Diaki diadi. Can you see my screen? Diaki diadi.
Yes.
Yes.
In English, nengo tadi one diaki diadi. In English?
This egg. This egg.
Yes. Yes. So, object concord is dio because of a D, yes? This one is very hard to translate into English. You could say here you are, yes? AD, yes? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. In French, you could say et voilà, voici, le voici. Yes?
Yeah. I guess maybe my question is, where you have subject prefix, is that where we're looking for, like, where is the
Don't go don't go there, Tete. Don't. We're not going there, yes? I want you to master this one, yeah? Don't worry about this one. The top one.
Yeah, so okay, so if we have Diaki, DYA, right? So
Yes.
is that how we're coming up with the DID? Like, that's what I'm
Yes,
trying.
yes. Yes. The idea is your demonstrative that yes. Any questions?
What
You're silent.
do we mean when we say the object's concord is geo or due? It is geo.
Yeah, good question. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say if I say Diaki diadi Ozolanga dio. That translation, please. Diaki diadi Ozolanga dio. I'm asking a question.
This
Diaki,
egg,
yes, well done.
Zola.
Zola, my verb is Zola.
Oh, do you want it or something? I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. It could be, but like it. I mean, do you like
Okay,
it?
do you like it? Okay.
Yeah, you're right. It could be Zola. Want yes. Ozolanga dio. So my D from Diaki diadi, demonstrative and object concord is there. Dio. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. If I come to you, I come to your house, I come to your place, I'm bringing my egg. I say, oh, look at this is your egg. This is egg. This is Eddie, Diaki Eddie. Tom, I want to say Portuguese. Tom, take it. Yes? Can you? Yes? Do you understand that? This is pure Kikongo, eh? This is Tata Makondeko word. Very smart person. So, Diaki Diadi. Diaki Diadi. Ozolanga Jo. Luku, yes. Cassava, cassava. You know Luku, yes?
Yes.
Cassava powder. Yeah, flour. Okay. It's class 11, yes. Lukulualu, yes. Lukulualu. Uzolanga lo, yes.
Ingeta.
Yeah. If I bring Luku to you, I say, Olu. This is it. Have it. That's it, David, yes.
Okay.
To sansu plural for stories, yeah, tales. To sansu tuatu, this, yeah, plural. To sansu tuatu ozolanga to. Yes, that's. Let us go back now. You will understand, I'm sure. Okay, this is a sentence. Yes, Tata, we're going to read this. Tata, can you read? You asking the question to Tata David, then you answer it from here, Tata David. Yes, Tata,
Okay.
please.
Where do I say, the first one or the second one?
Yes, Kikutu, please. Yes.
Okay. Nkikutu Kiaki.
Yes,
And
carry on.
I would say ingeta.
No. You. Sorry, Tata David. Your sentence stops here, Tata. Yes. Carry on, Tata David. Tata. Your questions.
In Nkikutu Nkikutu kiaki.
Ozolanga
Ozolanga
kyo.
kyo
Kyo. Bon. That's it. Yes. Ozolanga kyo. Yeah. Kyo.
Uzolanga kyo.
Yeah. This is what is this to the kyo? Totally. I've just explained to you what they do.
It's the
object.
It's the object.
Object concord. Yes.
Okay.
Object concord. Yes. So then you answer. Ingeta, yes.
So I would say ingeta itoma kyo aolanga.
Zolanga, yes. Yeah, toma kyo zolanga, yes. Remember, you keep your object concord from the question kyo, yes. Okay. That David, you answer. Ask that Alan, please. Empuyai. Yeah.
Empuyai ozolanga yo, eh?
Yes, ozolanga yo.
Ingeta itomayo zolanga.
Yes. Let me just say. We can drop. I mean, it is not compulsory. The it is Kikongo in a language, but spoken Kikongo. Ozolanga yo. As long as you have your question mark, it is a question. Yeah. Ozolanga yo. Zolanga yo. Okay. Well done, thank you. Nemotadiwa, you ask Tata David this question. Impu, Sapatu, sorry.
Nsapatu zazi. Zolanga zo.
Yes.
Ingeta itoma zo zolanga.
Yeah, Tomazo Zolanga. Yeah, can you see the pattern, Tata David? Your object concord, yes? The question, it is zo, yes? Then your answer is zo. It is very hard. I mean, don't memorize anything here. I'm just going to show I have a file. We have a word that are matching the very adjective, yeah? Omadia mama. Ozolanga mo. Tata, I'll question to you. Omadia mama. Ozolanga mo.
Ingeta itomamo zolanga.
Yes. See, this one is class 11, I think. Olukulualu. Ningotediwa. Olukulualu. Ozolanga lo.
Ingeta itomalo zolanga.
Yeah, tomalo zolanga. Let's try to display my file. Question.
No question.
I think I did I send you the file? This
Yeah,
I
you did.
I did, yeah. We have let me try to bring my file. Where is it? Just remember the pattern. You don't need to memorize these words. Yes. Is it big enough? No?
Yeah, it's good. I can see it.
If it's okay?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Let's make it much better, yes?
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, okay. Here we have words. I mean, Diambu the ideas. These are the ideas. Diaki the idea. Talking about egg. Kima kiaki, Kimbundi kiaki, Kikutu kiaki, Kunda kiaki, Longo lualu, Luku lualu. Okay, over to you, Tata Alex. Try to make a sentence from dia disa. Yes. Do you like this corn? Yeah, Kikong, of course. Then Tata David is going to answer. Please.
Disa diadi.
Well done.
Zolanga kyo.
No,
Zolanga dio.
Yes. 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 Tata David, your question. Ingeta, itoma. You answer Ingeta, yes? Ingeta, itoma.
Ingeta toma jadi.
Diozolanga.
Diozolanga. Jadi.
Yes. No, you don't repeat the idea because you just keep your object concord. Dio, yes?
Mm.
Diadi is your...
For it, yeah.
The adjective, but Joe is your object concord. Yes. Then what I do? Could you please, can you ask Tata Le? Sorry. Longo is, you can see Longo, but.
Tata Allen.
Mm,
Ulongo lwalo.
yes.
Uzolanga lo.
Well done. Yes. Ingeta.
Ingeta itomalo
Zolanga. Yeah. This is good Kikongo, pure Kikongo from the master. Papa Jean Konde. Okay, well done. That Dave, you asked the question. Oh, Maza Mama, Tata David, yes. Maza Mama, Ozolanga. I want you to give me the object concord, Tata David.
Okay.
Maza Mama.
Mazamanga Uzulanga yo.
It is M, so your object concord should match M. Uzolanga mo, Tata David, yes.
Uzulanga mo, eh?
Yes, Zolanga mo. Well done. Question, answer, Tata David.
Oh, it's for me?
Oh, I forgot who is answering. Anyway,
I thought it was not name. Okay. Which one are we doing?
The question, Maza, Tata David, again, question, please. Maza Mama, Uzolanga mo, yes.
Yeah,
Mazamamba Uzula Lango.
Uzolanga mo, yes.
Ingeta itomamo zolanga.
Yes, Toma Mozola. Then what tell you? Ask me, I'm going to answer. I'm going to give you an answer.
Tatampanzo.
Mm.
Tusansu twatu.
Mm.
Uzolanga.
Mm.
Uzolanga.
Tea, yeah? Tea with something. Yeah, well done. Uzolanga to, yes. Ingeta itoma tozolanga, yes. Well done. Okay. Never mind. It is hard. Any questions? Yes. Well done. Questions that David? No.
No, I'm getting it now.
No questions.
And someone is writing from Venezuela. Kiambote Tata Carlos. Can you see it? Venezuela. Hey. Yeah.
He said Itatuka. Okay.
Wow.
Itatuka, yes. Kumanda Veno, okay. Kumanda Veno Itatuka, okay. He's not in because he's just saying Itatuka, okay.
Yeah, so he said to the city of Venezuela I'm going, right?
Coming from Tuca, remember?
Oh, I'm sorry, coming from, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Tuca,
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Kiambo de Nabino.
This is okay.
Yeah, I know.
Tata Allen, can you translate the sentence, please?
Which one? Mavin Pimeno alongoki yongeye longi ndingeto akikongo. It says hello to the students.
Yes.
And
yes.
And I long is that long is
yeah and you
okay, and you what is that, study or learn
longi longi
is to learn.
Teacher.
Oh, it's the teacher.
Oh, long is the teacher, yeah.
Oh, you're the teacher of our language.
Yeah, and didn't get to come. Yes, well done. Yes. Thank you very much for your time. We are fighting. I should have displayed this one. There's a word, a very important word. Where is it? Luzindalalu. Luzindalalu.
Luzindalal.
Perseverance, yes. Luzindalalu.
Seven.
Yeah, that's a good word.
That talent, take note here, Luzindalalu.
I'm taking notes.
Yeah, well done. The verb is zindalala. Yeah.
Zindalala.
Zinda.
Yes, zindalala, yes. Yeah. Tutondele.
Tondele.
Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time. We are off next weekend, yes? It is Easter.
For Easter. Yeah.
Easter, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Tutondele luenda kiambote.
Sala
Sala
Kabute.
Kiambote.
Yo.
Yo.
Imba, Kaembe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomo, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Charlie Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Boko. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutuku ina yaya. Jean-Paul Bouyamba. Bokal Boto Amungu, Sole Mondoni, Franck Mambi. Politisa, Keita Koulama. Serge Ngodo, la San Diego.
Thank you.
over.